Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the important things to focus on in order to become financially free. And if you guys want more tips and strategies on becoming financially free, make sure and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified on when I post new videos, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are ready for financial freedom right now, I want you to comment freedom below in the comments. All right, so what are the most important things to focus on in order to become financially free? Focusing on big wins. So there's lots of different things we can do to save money or cut back on different expenses. But the thing is, we want to really focus on big wins and not so much on the smaller things that are just saving us maybe 50 cents here and there or a couple dollars here and there. And to give you an example, so you could spend hours of time clipping coupons. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing to do, but there are better things to do rather than spend hours clipping coupons. Just to save, 50 cents or $1. And, you can also spend an extra hour driving to different grocery stores just to save a few dollars. And that's not really what we want to be focusing on. We want to be focusing on big wins. So instead of spending those hours clipping coupons, you can take an hour and learn how to invest your money to make it work for you. And that is going to give you a big win because you invest your money and you leave it in there, you watch it grow over time, and that adds up really quickly if you're leaving it in your investment account over time. And you will have a lot more than just $3, like you would if you were to spend that hour clipping coupons. So it's really changing your mindset and thinking, okay, what is a big win I can get? Where can I spend my time that's going to be more valuable? You want to really start thinking this way so that you can become financially free. You can retire when you want to. And if you just constantly think about small things that you can be doing, it's not going to get you there. And I'm not saying, if you have like a large family, you have 10 kids or something, and, you go to a specific store where they have something on sale and you save hundreds of dollars, and you do that every month, that makes sense. But where you're just, if it's just you or you and your husband, and you're just saving a couple dollars here and there, that really doesn't make sense. So you want to spend your time where it's going to give you the highest return. And, that could be reading an investing book or actually setting up your investing account and putting money in there, deciding where you want to invest your money and actually doing it. That is going to give you the highest return. Not clipping coupons or sorting through a whole bunch of different emails, trying to find the best deal on something. It's just, it's figuring out the most important thing. So if you want to become financially free at a young age, then you're going to need to start thinking, okay, what's going to get me there? What can I spend my time on that's going to be the most beneficial and help me achieve financial freedom when I want to? So you really need to start thinking that way and making it a priority. So instead of even just, watching a Netflix movie, watch a YouTube video on how to invest in the stock market or how to get started in real estate. You're the one that will care the most about your money, so you need to start taking care of it in the best way possible. And making it work for you is going to be the best thing you can ever do with your money, because that means you can stop trading time for dollars. You can stop driving to 8 different grocery stores to save $5. You won't have to worry about things like that because your money will be working for you, and you can eventually retire or become financially free and not have to stress so much over the little things. So it's really important to focus on the big wins and just start really focusing on how you can make your money work for you instead of just saving a few bucks here and there, or maybe not, just ordering a Coke when you go out, thinking that's really grand. And sure, these little things add up, but if you're not actually focusing on how you can make your money work for you, it won't matter in the long term. Your money will eventually run out. You will continue to have to trade time for dollars, and you won't be financially free. You won't be able to retire. You really need to think about, where can I make my money work for me? How can I do that? And then start taking the steps in order to get there. And really make that your priority instead of focusing on these small little insignificant things. Really start focusing on what will make a big difference, what will give you that big win. So hopefully this helps you start to understand where your priorities should be in order to help you become financially free. And if you like this video, please like it and share it with someone who needs to hear this information. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.